Hey guys, today is a video on turning my boring old slimes into beautiful new ones. These makeovers are actually super fun and satisfying to do because slimes are being saved. Slime lives matter, guys. So let's go! The first slime is an old grey colored slime. It's got like a glossy look and was getting a little runny, but not too much. We could definitely do with a makeover. So the idea for this slime is to turn it into a marble theme. So we'll need to prepare parts of black, grey, and white slime. First, the black slime. Some black coloring was added to a part of the grey slime, then mixed in. Since the grey slime is already grey, you won't have to do any colouring there. For the white slime, some white colouring was mixed into a separate part. Also, to fix the stickiness, added a bit more activator. Once all three parts were ready, it's time to split them up into tiny portions and lay them on top of each other randomly like this. Then swirl it around to get a marble effect. Ta-da! Oh wait, it's missing something. That's right guys, gotta finish it off with some glitter and charms to complete the masterpiece. Check out this gold glitter guys, it just brings a nice pop of color to the slime. So looking at the before and after is definitely super satisfying. To see a boring looking slime look more alive again. This slime looks really pretty and absolutely love the glitter charms. Was quite impressed by how close it looked to a marble pattern. Next is this blob of foam cubes in slime, except the slime part. It disappeared into the foam. The idea for this slime is to turn it into a yummy mango sorbet slime. To do this, we'll first need to chop up the foam parts over and over until the bits of foam are these tiny bits condensed into a ball shape. Because it was so dry, more clear slime was added and mushed into the mix to get it back to a healthy slime texture again. Finally, topped it off with some super pretty pink glitter, orange, and lemon charm, and it is finished. Bon appetit everyone! How yummy does this look? I don't know about you guys, but this is making me kinda hungry. This makeover actually turned out really nicely. It actually looks pretty close to a sorbet. The glitter looked like sugar toppings, which made the slime look super cute along with the charms. the next slime that needs a makeover is this pink slime. It's actually a little bit tougher and was breaking easily, so the first step was definitely to soften the slime up a bit. The idea for this makeover is to turn it into a strawberry sundae. So once this pink slime was fixed back to a good texture, it's time to prepare a pink clear slime. Some clear slime was prepped earlier, so now it's time to color it with pink dye. Next, some Daiso clay was mixed into a white slime which was prepared from earlier. The Daiso clay gives the slime a firmer texture so that it can hold its shape for longer. Once that's done, it's time to piece together the strawberry sundae. First up, in goes half of the pink clear slime, then the pink slime. This part was a little trickier. A straw was used to poke into the bottom layer and pulled up into the second layer. This gives the slime more of a sundae look. Once that was done, the second half of the pink clear slime was layered on top, because who doesn't want extra strawberry sauce on their sundae? Then the parts of the edges were poked down to make it look even more cute. And now for the swirl on top. Finally, finishing it off with even more strawberry sauce and some charms. The charms were also DIY'd, guys. I just made such a big difference for the strawberry sundae makeover. Guys, how yummy does this look? It actually looks so much like strawberry sundae. This makeover was super satisfying to make. Guys, here's the slime before, and here is the slime after. Such an amazing slime. The ice cream swirl with the strawberry sauce combination just looks so good. Super happy with how fun this slime turned out, but now it's time to get squishy. Alright guys, that was the slime makeover. Hope you guys enjoyed these types of videos. Comment down below if you'd like to see more of these makeovers. Which makeover was your favorite? Don't forget to subscribe to catch more slime videos to come every week. See you in the next one. Bye guys. Love you. Mwah.